And let me just say hi again to all of our friends. I think I forgot to read our next batch of readers and some dedications right here. Hello to, is it Lemo or Lem of Orlando? Orlando, Florida? Hello to you, Lem of Orlando. Hi, DJ Luna. My name is Lem from Orlando. There you go. I have a request na before sa program niyo for my special friend na ngayon ay girlfriend ko na finally. Oh, congratulations to you, Lem. Thank you and thank you now. You and your program are really part of my life and love story na. Ayan. Can you please play the song Basta't Kasama Kita by Tribe of Levi? And I want to dedicate that song to my lovely Ace March. Ayan. Next time pa. Dapat may ganun, diba? If only she can lay on my chest and listen to what I have to say and to hear every beat of my heart. I love you so much, Lovey. Thanks a lot, DJ John Luna. You're the best and more success to PMZ. Hello to you, Lem of Orlando, Florida, listening with us right there. I think by tuning applications, I suppose. Hello to you, and yes, I'm going to play your song. Let me just check it out. Hopefully I can find it. Hello to Leah.
Sa tuwing tayo'y magkakalayo, hindi matahimik ang puso ko. Bawat sandali hanap kita, di mapakali hanggang muling kapiling ka. Makita na labis-labis ang tuwang nadarama. Magisnan lamang ang kislap ng iyong mata. Kahit ano pa ay kakayanin ko na. Basta't kasama magagawa, lahat ay maiaalay sa'yo. Basta't kasama kita, walang kailangan pa, wala nang hahanapin pa. Basta't kasama kita. Kasama ko, dahil kung ika'y mawawala, pati lahat sa buhay ko'y maglalaho. Basta't kasama kita, lahat magagawa, lahat ay maiaalay sa'yo. Basta't kasama kita, walang kailangan pa, wala nang hahanapin pa. Basta't kasama kita. kasama kita. Walang kailangan pa, wala nang hahanapin pa, basta